Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to get started with the Temu affiliate program. So first thing that you will do guys is just go to the comment down below and you will see this link or in the description down below. So now just copy the link or click the link and it will redirect you over here. So now from here, just simply click on get started. And from here, just simply sign in into your account. You can go for Google, Facebook, Apple. And when you click on this, you can also go with Twitter. And now, just simply sign in. So guys, once you are signed in, this will be the homepage of the affiliate program. So guys, this is very easy and user friendly. So at the very top, you should be able to see here your welcome credit. So guys, this will be roughly around 1.71 USD. And we have here pending the withdrawn. And down below, you can withdraw the cash that you earn and you can withdraw using your PayPal or credit as long as you add the payment method. So down below is the information guys. So guys, from here you will get 30% commission on orders placed within 30 days of your referral downloading the app, and you will also get a 90 peso download reward for every referral who download and orders. So guys, you can get this link by clicking on this. And after that, you should be able to see here the link and you can copy the link over here or you can share it into multiple social media platform like your email, Facebook, Instagram. So it will be depending on you. And when people click on your link and order in the application, you will get a 30% commission as you can see over here. And then now you will also have here at the very top, share to earn. So from here, when we click on the coupon bundle, you should be able to see here more information about the coupon bundle and how it works. So guys, 5,000 peso is 85.51 US dollar, and you will get the link over here when you click on a share now, and you should be able to get the link over here. And down below, guys, we have the exclusive deal. So guys, in the exclusive deal, you can share a specific item. So let's click on share now over here. So guys, from here, as you can see, you will have here a specific item that you can share. So let's say I'm going to share this one and click on it. And from here, you can either share the image where people can scan it, or you can share text. And after that, you'll be able to get the link and you can post it anywhere you want into your social media platform. And from here, you will be able to get the link. And let's say I'm going to go for Facebook. And as you can see, when I paste the text, we will get the link over here. And there you go, guys. Just simply copy the link. And when people click on your link, automatically you will earn money. And there you go. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe. And thanks for watching. See ya.